What is good morning? Your boy's actually been getting like allergies in the thrift, so I decided that I'm now gonna use a face mask when I go. So that's why I got this on. Looking extra bright, baby blue and pink. Let's go. Hey, found this Degeneration X tee, wrestling tee. Has the tag cut off, but they're asking for $5. And then right here I found a Wu-Tang tee, newer though, also asking for $5 or $6. So I got a pass. Found this reversible Nautica piece with the super bright yellow on the inside. Probably gonna pass though, because Nautica for some reason doesn't do too well, so I'm gonna leave this. Got some Jordan Chrome 8s right here. Just came across this BAPE sweater right here. I honestly don't know if it's real, but I gotta check to see. We'll see. I'll do all the checks of like the tags and stuff, and then we'll see if I pick it up. Dude, look at these Nike rollerblades, vintage still with the like manual and tools. These don't go for much, but just crazy to come across. They got this little Polo Sport like women's handbag. Gonna leave this, it's pretty basic. Just came across this Raider starter, but sadly I think I'm gonna pass because it actually has like rips and it has like pretty bad stains all over. But super fire piece to come across. So sad that I actually gotta leave this. Finally came across something that I'm actually gonna scoop. I found a vintage Levi's Sherpa, but this one looks a little different. It's got like the tabs right here. Super clean. Made in USA, size large. For sure gonna pick this one up. Let's go. Passing by Goodwill, so you already know. Gotta stop by. Let's go. Actually got these Jeremy Scotts right here in like the crocodile skin, patent leather. Probably gonna pass though because they're asking for $25. I got this vintage Tommy Hilfiger fleece right here. They're asking for $10. Size medium, but it's a little too basic, so pass. All red Nautica jeans hoodie. Good morning. It is the next day, third day actually. But today I'm actually going out tonight to like a lounge slash club. So I wanted, sorry I'm extra tired right now. So I wanted to show you guys how to get an outfit for the club or lounge in the thrift for the low. So let's put an outfit together, yeah. So I ended up finding 2 more bootleg Gucci crew necks. These are so fire. Got Bugs Bunny and then this one has Bugs and Taz. Look at their outfits though. So I found this little button up right here. They're only asking for $3. And then right here I found this Tommy short sleeve. I might just go with this one because it's like a nighttime event, so this might look a little cleaner. So I actually found these low top Air Forces in my size. Super dope colorway. It's just gray and it's got like the mesh right here. Super clean. These are from 2012. These are called the XXX Air Force Ones. For sure gonna scoop these. Let's go. Found the super heavy duty Lululemon hoodie for the ladies, size 6 or like a size small. And your boy finally found the GOAT, MJ baby. And then for the outfit, I actually found these Zara yellow pants that are cropped at the bottom. Might rock these with the Air Forces, but we'll see. Persistence paid off. Haven't really found anything this week. And then the last day of the week. Let's go, boys. Alright guys, so as you can see I got it all washed and cleaned, ironed the outfit. I threw the gold chain on, but you can see right here I got the yellow cropped jeans, made cropped already, so it's obviously a lot nicer. Then I have the anniversary, the 30th anniversary Air Force Ones on in the all gray. I'm super hyped about these. I'd only wear crop pants with like low top shoes because when it's high top it looks kind of funny, so always wear low tops when you wear crop jeans. But yeah, as you can see the outfit, I might throw on the jacket. I know I didn't thrift this, but obviously like I didn't know it was gonna be a little cold outside. Oh, and your boy got the fresh cut by myself. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna rock this jacket only because the Jordan Clarkson swag hanging over. I probably will rock it like this, but it's a little cold outside and it's actually raining a little bit, so I might just rock it like this. And then now you can get an overview of the whole outfit. You can pretty much see for the low. So this shirt was $3, the pants were $15, and the shoes were a little pricey. These are actually $25, but it's a staple because they're gray, and you guys know I like to dress cozy and always wear gray, so perfect. got the fit together. Now it's time to go out with the boo-boo. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Boo-boo got the extra high suede boots, the jeans, the tucked in turtleneck. Let's go, boy. Outfit's on point. Let's go. Nah. Yo, good morning. Your boy's tired. I went to sleep at like 3 o'clock yesterday, but starting the morning off here at Vaughn's, I gotta get some Pedialyte for me and the boo-boo. Make ourselves feel a little better. But I'll show you guys the items that I did pick up in this trip to the thrift a little later today. But first stop is Vaughn's. Let's go. Here it is. Probably gonna go with the grape. Okay. I see you, Gramps, with the butterfly doors. Let's go, boy. Yo. So I'm here at the Boo-Boos. We getting down on the Pedialyte. That grape flavor is so bomb. I just wanted to take this time to just like kind of talk to you guys because I never really do. All I do is basically thrift and vlog, but I never just like ask you guys questions or anything. Oh, with that guest sweater with the paint stain? But yeah, so what I wanted to ask was basically leave in the comment section down below what kind of stuff you guys want to see. I'm trying to think of new ideas to put out for you guys. So for barbering school, just to give you guys an update, I'm almost out of the freshman course. So I'll be cutting very, very soon. I'll probably be cutting next week. We actually have like a little barber like convention to go to next weekend, which I'm super excited about. Hopefully the teacher is cool with me vlogging, so I'm gonna take you guys along when we do go there. I'm gonna buy like a new barber case, hopefully some new clippers and just other things. But I'm getting off topic. So let me know in the comment section down below what kind of content you guys want to see. Like, do you guys want to see for example, like $100 Ross challenge or $100 Burlington challenge, like just to put outfits together? And like, what kind of outfits do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see like dressed up outfits, regular outfits, obviously cozy outfits? If you guys want to see that, just comment cozy down below. Also, if you guys do want to see the picture of the outfit that I put together for the club/lounge, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. Instagram link is down below so you can follow your boy and follow me because I always post stuff on my story and all the stuff gets sold pretty quickly. So follow your boy, link down below. Alright guys, so before I ship off some of these items, I just want to show you guys what I copped. Here's the bootleg Gucci Bugs Bunny, already sold, size XL. This one's still available. It's a bootleg Gucci with Taz and Bugs Bunny. Look at their outfits though, so crazy. And this Lululemon hoodie already sold as well. And then the GOAT, y'all already saw this one on my Instagram if you follow me, MJ Champion, size 44. And then these 30th anniversary Air Force Ones in the all gray. These are so dope. I'm hyped about these. Any other updates? Nope. That is it for now. Comment down below which piece you guys thought was the best piece that you guys saw that I picked up. Personally, my favorite was probably the Air Force Ones. They look super, super good with the crop jeans, as you guys saw, with the yellow banana pants. But yeah, so that's about it. And now me and the boo-boo are gonna go get breakfast because we up and we hungry. Peace. We never really get here early enough to get breakfast at Chick-fil-A, so your boy's hyped. It's gonna be so bomb. Hey! Oh my god, I have never tried this. I'm super excited.
You never tried?
Got the tater tots. No, I haven't. And then she got the bowl with the chicken, hash browns, and egg. Oh, so bomb. Now I just want to sleep. Boo. Just want to knock out. Got the packages here at the post office. Got two. Sold the bootleg Gucci Bugs Bunny and the Lululemon hoodie. Shout out to the buyers. Yeah. So I actually forgot to show you guys the Levi's jean jacket, the Made in USA one, because I did pick it up. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Sorry it's a little sunny, but this is the Levi's jean jacket that I picked up. Let me get my shadow out of the way. You see right there, it is made in USA. This Sherpa is super, super dope. So this will be for sale. Just hit me up if you're interested. It is a size large. So hit me up. Alright guys, so I just got back home. Ooh, that lighting though. But yeah, I just got back home. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This was Trip to the Thrift numero 54. Ooh, I got one for this one. Horace Grant with the goggles? Hey. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and you already know the slogan. So let's wrap it up to the cozy yes. In the game, we sleepy out here. Hey, man, to fashion. What is good?